Hi, it's Barney from BBC Good Food and welcome to Boss the Basics. In this episode I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic sponge cake. So for our sponge we need 225 grams of soft butter, 225 grams of sugar. I'm using golden caster sugar, but you could use white caster sugar. 225 grams of self-raising flour, so that's the same quantity of flour, sugar and butter. Then we need 4 eggs, some vanilla and a pinch of salt. So the first thing we need to do is we need to beat our butter and our sugar together until light and fluffy. Now we're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In that goes. And then we're just going to add our eggs one at a time, beating well as each one is added. So the next thing we need to do is we need to fold our flour through. We're also going to add a pinch of salt, which is now when it goes in. So we want a small pinch of salt. And then we are going to add our flour. All of it at once. And then very gently fold the flour through until it's all been incorporated. I'm using a metal spoon. And I am just lifting and folding. Consistency of batter that easily falls off the spoon. So that is perfect. Now we're going to divide the mixture between our 2 cake tins. So you can see this roughly by eye, half in each. Now we're going to bake our cakes for about 25 minutes in an oven at 180 to 160 fan. That's really important that for the first 15 minutes you do not open the door. That will cause your cakes to sink. So our cakes have had 25 minutes. They're out the oven. Now I can tell they're cooked because they're all springy. They're coming away from the sides of the pan. Then get a skewer and insert the skewer into the cake. Comes out clean like that one has with no cake batter on it at all, then you know that it's ready. So I'm going to leave them for 10 minutes to cool in their tins and then we will be ready to take them out and leave them to cool completely. So our cakes have cooled completely. Now all we need to do is stack them. I've got a simple buttercream, you can find the recipe on bbcgoodfood.com, and I've got some jam. I'm sticking to the classics, but you can fill them with whatever you want. Some lemon would be really nice, fresh fruit, some whipped cream, all delicious, but yeah, I'm sticking to the classics. So there you go, that's how you make a simple sponge cake. This has been Boss the Basics. I'm Barney. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget, stay safe, get good.